1.
Toybox 3D printer for kids. Built to be used by children, Toybox can be controlled with simple one-touch functions. No adult assistance needed, no need to adjust removable print bed, easy filament loading and novel print bed design that doesn't require a knife to remove prints like most 3D printers. Thousands of awesome toys are available at your fingertips in our Toybox catalog. New toys added weekly and seasonally. Upload designs to create your own toys or draw them and bring them to life through our user-friendly apps and tools. Your creations are stored on the cloud for easy access. Creality Ender for beginners and kids. Ender 3 3D printer, a great product for beginners and experienced professionals, makes more fun in the 3D printing world. High precision printing makes smooth surfaces and vivid details of finished products with less error, the best choice for children to cultivate children's practical ability. It's a wonderful gift to print out your imaginary world. Anbull 3D printer for kids. The built-in heat dissipation fan aligned with 0.4mm nozzle and the 0.75mm 10m PLA filament offer you more delicate molding and smooth surface. This new 3D printer design with a preheated 60C magnetic bed for the easy of non-stick detachment. It takes time for the printer to start from strings to layer, and then overlay to physical printing. A very good starter printer. Simply copy the G-code files onto a micro SD card. Plug the SD card into the printer, and press the start button without leveling and wait for the printer reaches its operating temperature, 180°C. The highest printing speed is up to 40 mm per second. WZTO 3D printer for kids. You can control everything via software settings, model size and orientation, print duration, temperature, filament filling and speed. The simple button function also allows children to quickly grasp it, which is very suitable for children and beginners. The motor has a sturdy plastic housing that protects you from burns. Excellent tool for kids and beginners to grow and develop interest, improve spatial imagination and three-dimensional perception. LONENESSL 3D printer for kids, intelligent 3D printer, a great choice for kids, compared to most of 3D printer on the market, which is more easy to operate, support free slice modes, provide many kinds of 3D model to download, perfect for family, school and amateur entertainment. Also compatible with slice software, you can print the items you like. Easy to choose printing file and view print progress through the knob screen. In order to provide a premium experience, the 3D printer can be continued to print it even though the power is outage suddenly. More flexible and humanize, come with sample PLA filament, pre-assembled and has already been calibrated at the factory.
6.
VAHIGCY 3D printer for kids. X1 printers machine are much easier to use for beginners. It comes with a unique key system that allows you to start, stop and easily control the printing process. The nozzle is heated evenly, it only takes 5 minutes, and the temperature of the nozzle can reach 180 degrees, which can meet the temperature requirements of the PLA material pressure. VAHIGCY 3D printer kit nozzle uses a professional all-metal nozzle to ensure the best printing temperature and minimize the risk of printing errors.